My 2010 Rubicon just got a new winch bumper. I drew this up this winter. Finally got a chance to get it done. So it's a center section that bolts into the factory mounts. There's actually an extra inner tab right there, probably pretty dark, that you can actually put 2 more bolts to do, which I am going to add those bolts. I just not at this present time. I'm going to take it actually off and paint the frame a little bit. But those end caps are a total separate piece, and that's just a nice carriage bolt. So it gets on there nice and strong. I have it so that the holes where the 10,000 and the VR of the winch poke through, I can stick my soft shackles through there. I've actually put a 1/4 piece of pipe back there so it's rounded going in here. So it's a smooth surface all the way around. It's not sharp edged. So it'll let your strap spread the weight. But it's made for soft shackles. I suppose a guy could put D-rings on the front. Not a big deal. It would look freaking awesome that way too. I just don't like taking the skin off my kneecaps in the garage. Because as you can see, I got big things in my garage. So anyway, all 1/4 inch mild steel. Really sweet. Absolutely what I wanted. Protect the winch, anti-theft. The 2 back bolts of the winch actually bolt in, and they're inside that rear channel that goes between your frame rails naturally. So you can't even get to the bolts. You cannot unbolt that winch without taking this bumper off. So you're going to be there a while. That's no easy sideshow. Anyway, so pleased. Looks sick. I love it. I'm drawing up the rear right now. So I'll have something back there to complement this. See ya.